Hello everyone, I'm Aslam Malik and I'm here to help you convert your visitors into your customers. And if you're looking for email list building strategies to get a lot of subscribers, then you will love this video. Keep watching. So the first strategy which I have for you guys today is to have a freemium course playlist on your YouTube channel. And this can be of any topic related to your own industry. Like if you are in the fitness niche, then you can create a whole lot of videos on how to burn fat or how to get a lean body. Or if you are in the digital marketing niche, then you can create a whole playlist of videos on how to do email marketing as a step-by-step approach. And you can also capture emails of your viewers by providing an extra downloadable resource at the end of your video. Like this resource could be a worksheet, a transcript, or an audio file of your own video. And the advantage here is that your audience will be highly engaged and can eventually end up investing in your premium offers. Now, the second strategy which I have for you today is to offer a lead magnet that is highly relevant to your own content. And this lead magnet could be in the form of a checklist, a guidebook, a resource book, or even a case study. So if you have a blog, what you can do is that you can set up trigger points on your article so that your pop-ups appear right there. So when your reader is scrolling down on your article, they get that pop-up where they can sign up for your free offers. And I'll give you an example right here. So if you have a blog on email marketing, what you can do is that you can offer an email marketing checklist as a free value. Or if you have a blog on paleo diet and you have written an article on paleo diet recipes, so what you can do is that you can offer paleo breakfast recipe ebook as a content upgrade. You can go to canva.com to make it yourself, or you can go to Fiverr to hire someone to do it for you. The takeaway here is that with this approach, you will get a highly targeted and relevant audience that will be interested in your upcoming content and your premium offers. Third, you can leverage free Chrome extension as a lead magnet. There are many Chrome extensions that we use on a daily basis, but what if you create one of your own and offer it as a lead magnet to your audience in exchange for their emails? Take an example. If you talk about cryptocurrency, then there is a real-time cryptocurrency tracker as a free Chrome extension. Or if you are in the YouTube marketing niche, then what you can do is that you can offer a Chrome extension which suggests related keywords or whatever feature you want in it. And for that purpose, you can head over to fiverr.com and hire a freelancers to get it done for you just for a few bucks. The fourth strategy is one of my favorites, and it's the never-ending webinars. People love webinars because they want to interact with you. So what you can do here is that you can use softwares like EverWebinar or Webinar Jam, and you record an engaging webinar. That recorded webinar looks like a live version even though it's a replay. It's super engaging and actionable, and there is a high chance that people will end up buying from you. Next, you can leverage the assessment quizzes, and this is probably the most engaging way to collect an email since your audience is curious to know the answer. They have already taken up the quiz and now they just have to write their email address to know the answer. Let's say that you have a blog on health and fitness, and you can set up a quiz where you ask your audience about their daily routine or their current fitness level to give them an idea on their future fitness or health goals, but only after they have given you their email addresses. You can set up a quiz on your website by using free WordPress plugin called WP Quiz, or you can also utilize ClickFunnels or Lead Quizzes to create interesting quizzes. You can also use mini tools to provide value in exchange of an email. Let's say that you have an accounting site, then you can do audit tools, or if you have a health site, then someone can come and do an audit on their weight, BMI, or even diet to know where they should be health-wise. You can even do calculators, like if you are in the fitness industry, then there is calorie and fat index calculators. If you don't know how to build these calculators yourself, then you can head over to CodeCanyon, which is a website where you can buy these calculators just for a few bucks. And you can use these calculators on your website or in the description of your YouTube channel. And as people are putting in their information, you can collect their email addresses to give them the results. Hey, this time these are not just mini tools, but they are the fully feature-packed softwares that you can use as a service. So here's the deal. You can head over to fiverr.com and hire someone to develop these softwares for you, or you can head over to CodeCanyon and get the PHP scripts Upload these PHP scripts on your website and you will get a fully advanced software just for a few bucks with a free and a premium version. You can use the free version with less features to collect the emails, and you can market the premium version, and eventually your free users will have to move to the premium version to get more service. For example, if you have a blog on SEO, then you can get a software that can offer a detailed keyword research and competition analysis. And let's say that it shows 50 results as the paid version and 500 results as the premium version. You can urge your free users to go for the premium version since they are already missing out on so many potential keywords that they can rank for. Now, the next strategy which I have for you is spin to win, and this is one of the exciting strategies used by many businesses. So here's the deal. You can use an animated spin to win pop-up on your landing page or on your website where your visitors get a chance to spin the wheel and get a reward. Let's say that you have an e-commerce store where you sell perfumes and you have already set up this plugin on your website. So if that wheel has 4 quadrants, then you can offer a 5% discount in the first quadrant, a 10% discount in the second quadrant, a free giveaway in the third one, and a perfume guidebook in the fourth one. One last shot. If someone is about to leave your landing page or your website, just ask them a simple yes or no question and then collect their email address. Like, do you want to know the secret benefits of yoga? If yes, then sign up now to know the answer. For this purpose, you can use exit intent pop-ups like Hello Bar, Opt-in Monster, or Pop-up Maker. So that's my list of email list building strategies. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on that subscribe button below this video. And now I want to turn it over to you. Which strategy from today's video are you going to try first? Are you going to try spinning the wheels on your website, or are you going to create a course playlist on your YouTube channel? Let me know by leaving a comment right now.